Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to repost a story on Instagram. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Instagram application. Once you're there, head over to your story section. To just post a story, make sure you have someone that have mentioned you in their story. Suppose they have mentioned you in here, in the notes. In the same way, here you can see mention you in their story. So they must mention you in their story too, so that you can repost that. And then there goes another way that you can just take a video or screenshot of that story, of that person's story, and then just post it on your story in here by just tapping on any picture or video you want. So yeah, this is how you can repost any story. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.